of day 4. So this that you see behind me, this is the big N1 to Cape Town. So we're going the same route, but the only thing is we're not driving this. We're driving dirt roads, gravel roads, off-roads, water roads. So if you ever come to a place called Tom's Place, this is behind us here. We slept there last night. Now, next stop, maybe Kalkpoort Dam, Piekalleroo Dam, maybe Orania. We'll see. But I'm so happy we are not on this journey, sitting behind these big trucks. So lekker to travel to Cape Town off the beaten track and don't have to deal with this. Hey! But anyways, start the choppers, ne? Let's go to Cape Town. But before we get there, somewhere else. Let's do this! So we started here this morning, Tom's Place. So now the GPS is gonna take us past, what is that? I think that is Piekalleroo Dam. I might be wrong, but I've put in Orania as our end destination. But like the past 3 days,
who knows?
It always changes. So let's see, maybe it changes again today. All we know is, we are done with this for a long time. So just in front of us here, that's the end of this little piece of tar road, just over the N1, and then we're gonna hit gravel roads just in front here. So Arivari, let's do this. Let's go to wherever on dirt roads.
From Pretoria's dusty dawn we roll away, gravel crunching neath the tires, no highway today. Through hidden valleys, forgotten plains so wide, Trans-Africa tours leading the way, our hearts open wide. Oh, Trans-Africa tours leading the way, down the back roads where the wild winds play, campfires glowing under African skies, small town magic in every stranger's eyes, gravel roads and hidden gems we find, supporting local, one heartbeat at a time.
So Bella, left or right? Short right.
I choose right.
Let's go right.
Let's go right.
Lekker of always finding these T-junctions, ne?
Because if right was wrong, then it wouldn't have been called right.
Like your way of thinking. So yeah, let's go right. Beautiful lake space, ne? Beautiful.
That one is a little bit crippled, but
yeah.
no Kwesbok.
Ja, Kwesbok.
They started nicely.
So yeah, this is now this is short right. So let's see where this road goes to. This is the lekkerte of this trip now. Just like the road now that we've done, so incredibly beautiful. The Free State at its most beautiful. But let's see what's up ahead.
Karoo whispers secrets in the thorn tree shade. Old farm gates creak, stories never fade. We chase the sunset on tracks no map has seen, off the beaten path, living the dream.
You won't believe it, but between somewhere and nowhere, there's a Steenmekaar police station. So you go right, you go on the S284. If you go left, hello, you go on the 2S84. So I wonder which one should we take. I think
we should go on the S284.
yeah, let's take the S284. Let's go. So jammer, hier was nie 'n klein shoppiekie nie, man. Would have liked to buy a bun here. But yeah, let's take the S284. Difficult decision, but yeah, somebody has to make it. Let's gooi, man. Me and Christian just had a discussion now. We wonder what happened to all the old Plaas winkeltjie, and I'm dead sure that once upon a time this must have been one of those old plaaswinkeltjies, nee Billa. And here we get one near Steenmekaar, but next. There's no more plaaswinkeltjie. Because it would have been so lekker to stop here at the old Steenmekaar plaaswinkeltjie and buy maybe a bun, so we can have a roadside braai or anything, just support the little roadside stalletjies. But too little too late. So now let's see what road is this we on now. This is the S. This is a different road. But anyways, onwards and forwards. I hope somewhere we can still find one of these old plaaswinkeltjies. That'll be so lekker to find them. But I think most probably next stop is going to be Forest Smith for something to eat. Otherwise we stop McBroodjies. Arrivari! So this is part and parcel of the beautiful places you find off the beaten track. So this is just before Forest Smith. This must be an old bridge. I'll see if I can look up the history of this bridge. But just check how beautiful Moersemoer. This is insanely beautiful. And just to think, we wouldn't have found this if we didn't take the gravel roads to Cape Town. We found this hidden gem. Unbelievable. Kalkpoort Dam, Forest Smith. I had to stop now. This is the Rietrivier. This is Kalkpoort Dam near Forest Smith. Because if Billa sees water, nee, he's already like, please Dad, please, can I just make a few goeie? And now the guy is here somewhere. Let me just see where he is. Look there. Fishing already. Gooiing a paar goeie. Let's see if he catches something. But unreal beautiful. Kalkpoort Dam. And this bridge. Explore South Africa. We have a beautiful country. It is worth it, trust me. This is our second stop in Forest Smith. First stop, nobody came to help us. Me and Billa sat there in the restaurant, daily place thingy, for like 10 minutes. Nobody helped us, they ignored us. So we just left and we came to this place. But let's go show you, because we are hungry, man. We need to eat something in Forest Smith. So let's go chow something. So Merry Christmas in Forest Smith, Billa. Look for phone addict. Only fishing stuff.
It's not fishing
So
stuff,
I think Marleenkie would have been impressed with these beautiful cups and coffee. Nee, Billa? Let's do some burgers, my boy. What a surprise, nee? Check hierdie Johnny. So hierdie Johnny, this guy, I met him the first time in Angola, of all places, in Namib and then in a Flamingo Lodge, nee? So he saw me and Billa, we somewhere here around, nee? So he stays in Jagersfontein, nee, Wayne? And he said, I just have to go see those Johnnies, nee? So Wayne, baie dankie. Thank you so much, man. And when we're gonna come back, I think I'm gonna go visit Wayne in Jagersfontein. I want to see what's in Jagersfontein. Maybe there's lots of Jagermeisters in Jagersfontein. Wayne, dankie my broer. Lekker. So we ate lekker at this restaurant here. Huh, Billa? How was your burger? Huh? So if you ever find yourself in Forest Smith, nee? Phoenix. No other place. Phoenix, come eat your burger. I promise you the patties are handmade in Phoenix. It was seriously kimunatico fella. So but now, look off Orania, ne? Let's go. Fishing. And I can't even say he's got fishing fever because he's like this. I'll go look for a video when he was small mushman. small, maybe 3 or 4 years. Fishing. I'll go. Do you still have that video, Bella?
No, I don't have that.
Katrol, Bella, katrol.
We have the photos.
I'll show you the photos.
We have the photos.
So, Arrivari, ne? God bless. Keep safe. Let's go to Lukhof. So, let's take a lekker drive through Forest Smith. So, Forest Smith, of course. Ja, die GPS wil net hê. Ons moet left turn vandag, maar ons wil nie vandag left turn nie. So, Forest Smith, I can remember Forest Smith only for one thing. And you'll see now what it is. In the middle of the town, in the middle of the road, there's an old big steam locomotive from back in the heyday. So where this palm tree is, just behind this palm tree. I'm gonna drive slowly now. Right, so this is train locomotive number 1153. If anybody knows a little bit of the history of locomotive 553, we would really love to hear what the history of that locomotive is. And I just asked Wayne now, this rail track here in Forest Smith, what it was used for. Goods and passengers, believe it or not. There's a rail track running right dead through the middle of the town. So yeah, that was Forest Smith. Come to Phoenix when you're in Forest Smith. I'll show you now. We really loved it. So there's Phoenix. There where the trees are, this is Phoenix. Check here. That's Phoenix. So if you come into Forest Smith, come stop at Phoenix. You can thank me later. So yeah, Bella, let's gooi, ne?
Let's gooi. Next stop.
Arrivari.
In Lukhof.
In Lukhof. Ek hou van hy pies. As jy waar jy die milie daai gekoop het.
Ja.
Toe sê hy vir hy, "Hey, kan jy vir my rob is?"
Jy gee my Molongo prys.
Ja, jy gee my Molongo. Ja, maar my uitjie kon jou heel. My uitjie hou van jou. Ek het hom net aan die shop gelos daar.
No, I'm just stopping in Lukhof. Now Lukhof is in the middle of South Africa.
Oh. The last town before entering Northern Cape.
And this Johnny comes, he stops and he opens the windows, he says, Arrivari!
Where is Malinki?
Malinki is at home, Papa.
Oh, Malinki.
Yeah, but thank you, my bro. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
Look off at the John Deere, the corporation, eh? They are sorting us out. They are sorting Ubuntu out quickly. But it's not what you think we are doing here, ne? I'm going to show you now what John Deere is fixing on Ubuntu. Check this. This guy was with Billa in school in Centraal in Bloemfontein. Believe it or not, ne? So Billa, just show them what we are doing. So these are the things that we use for the cell phone to keep it in place. And now they are fixing it because, give me one that's already broken, Billa. They are busy tearing. But John Deere is fixing it for me. Dankie Pella, dankie. Always a helping hand. Man. So this is where we put these Johnnies, ne? Like a new one now. Yeah, tight fit. So I'm gonna put these ones, John Deere fixed, in Ubuntu. So Billa, how special is that in Lukhof, huh?
Yes.
Stopping at the corporation, looking for a new pipe here, and here stops the John Deere bakkie. And it's somebody you went to school with, ne? And Saki said, George, Billa, I got you, come to the workshop. And when we're at the workshop, ne? This car pulls up and all I hear is, Arrivari! But check this out, man. That is how insane special. Small little place like Lukhof. Not a lot of people know even where is Lukhof or what is Lukhof, but it's a special little town. And
Hearts people.
People from the heart. And we wouldn't have had this experiences, ne, if we drove N1 to Cape Town. Never ever. So Saki, ke leboha papa, dankie. Let's go, Billa, let's go. So there's it. Welcome. Wamkile, Pixlika semediem. So, dit beteken, ne, welkom in die Noord-Kaap. Welcome in the Northern Cape. So I'm going to stop now here on the bridge and I'm going to get out and show you show you the mighty, mighty Orange River. But let me just stop here and show you now. Come with me, come check this out. This side is Northern Cape, ne? And that side is Free State. But Bella, listen, we want to say to the Free State, ne? From the bottom of our hearts, ne? Thank you, Free State.
All the people on our road.
The hospitality, overwhelming. From the most beautiful gravel roads, ne? Scenery, Free State, back roads and by roads. Tap yourself on the back, guys. You rock big time. It's almost with a little bit of sadness that we're leaving Free State, ne? But we've got much more to explore. So, let me show you the mighty Orange, ne? The mighty Orange. Kyk hierdie rivier. Kyk hierdie rivier. So this is flowing to Ograbis from here. That's the next big stop of this river. Oh no. First at Douglas, the confluence. They get together there in Douglas, ne? On the other side, there's Orania, where we are going to now. But Mursamur. What a river. What a beautiful. And the river, this river has got different names, ne? Believe it or not, let me just think now. It starts in Lesotho as the Senkyu River. Then it becomes the Orange River. And then later on, it is Garib. It is Garib River. 3 names, same river. But what an absolute beauty. So looking forward now for Orania, Bella. And the Northern Cape section of this tour. Man, I like it, Bella.
I used to like it.
I like it. Bella says he doesn't want to work in Fitment Center. He wants to travel
I
now.
want to travel now. We'll get someone to go. Is there anyone who wants to go look after the Fitment Center?
Bella wants to become a tour leader.
I'm gonna go tour now.
So, next stop, Orania. Let's go. First stop in Orania for us, ne? First stop, car wash, because Ubuntu cannot look like this, ne? Hey broer, baie dankie dat jy Ubuntu gaan mooi skoon was. And if you come to Orania, where the shops is, short left, come check this Johnny, ne? Let him make your car beautiful again. Check the Ubuntu. The whole Free State is on Ubuntu. You will not believe what it looks like after. Boeta, dankie my Mikey. Let's do this. So we have arrived in Orania, and this is our humble abode for tonight. But already blown away. I'll do a little bit separate video on Orania tomorrow. But this is what our view looks like from our Charlotte. So there's the mighty Orange River. And of course, Christian is in his element because he can fish from here. And trust me if I tell you, he's gonna fish to his heart content. He is like the happiest person alive. But Mursamur. Bella? Hey bro, I like it, man. Yeah. Let's go check our home. Kyk ons man. So the lushest of green lawns, trees. This is genuine next level. But this will be home for tonight. So we are sleeping in Wagabiki, and we're gonna braai big steaks there tonight again. Your luxury. This is most probably 5-star luxury. Let me just, and aircon is already switched on. So let me just see where's the lights. Fully, I can stay here for 2-3 days. This is the epitome of absolute luxury. Yo, I think this might become a 2-day stay. Easy. How awesome is this? And the fisherman, I told you, ne? I told you. Wat dink jy is dit, Bella? What? Feels like a yellow. I told you, this guy, I think he was born with a rod. Watch my words, ne? He's gonna become one of South Africa's biggest fishing influencers, ne? Well done, Bella! Handle it nicely, ne? Yellow gold from the Orange River, ne? Wow, wow, wow.
Small mouth yellow
Small mouth. And that is on chicken livers, nee?
on chicken livers.
You got that on chicken livers, nee? Hou gou so. Bulle, jou oyster.
And look at this thing.
Yo, I promise you, I don't know of anybody more lucky or good. They say the more you try, the luckier you get. Well done, Bulle, well done. Let it go. Bulle, your oyster.
What's one of it?
Let's go bigger. So tonight, me and Bulle, we are buying Riemland gold there in Pieterstein. So if anybody knows the people of Riemland in Pieterstein, tell them we say thank you, Kimunati. And where's a beautiful setting to buy those journeys, né? So Riemland, thank you so much. This is pure gold. So this going on this moerse lekker warm coals and some patatas. Some patatas. So one for me, one for Bulle and one for Spare. Let's braai. So Bulle, this is how we end our Oranje day, né?
On what a day it's been.
Cow candy, chicken pilly, né? 'n lekker soet patat en 'n perfectly braai steak. Check net daar vir Bulle. So Bulle, signing out, né?
Nou vir my plan.
Arrivari. Catch you on the flip side. Thank you for being with us on this video. Tomorrow's another day. God bless. Keep safe. Cheers.